to end.
Well, see, I hated you for a long time. But one day, you were different. Let your hair fall into your eyes. And I tried to look away, but I couldn't. And then you said my name for the first time. How suddenly everything can change. All I know is I fall to the ground. And then your hand was out, you smiled, and I fell again. Well, you do that sort of smile where your lips work to the side. And all I've got are freckles, curly hair, and my pride. But you seem to find that things are okay when I'm around. Your eyes are like a storm while I sit on a cloud. I can't believe that I am yours, and you are mine. Sometimes your temper gets the best of you, and I always have to have the last word. But then you kiss me and I fall apart. Say I'm the only one who's ever touched your heart. Well, you do that sort of smile when your lips work to the side. All I've got are freckles, curly hair, and my pride. But you seem to find that things are okay when I'm around. And your eyes are like a storm while I sit on a cloud. And I can't believe that I am yours and you are mine. I can't believe that you are mine, you are mine. You and I come from different sides of town, and your parents hate my name and how I sound. So you kindly challenge us to shut up, because to you I am just you do that sort of smile where it's straight to the side. All I've got are freckles, curly hair, and my pride. But you seem to find that things are okay when I'm around. Your eyes are like a storm while I sit on a cloud. I can't believe that I am yours, you are mine. I can't believe that you are mine, you are mine. You are mine, you are mine. You are mine.
Đây á, anh mới khoan đây này hả?
This is hurting me. I don't know if I can cross that line where we become just friends. I don't want this to end.
I don't want this to end. If I stay, promise to never go away. If I close my eyes, promise to be there when I wake. I had a dream last night, I was holding you so tight. What are we gonna do? I can't lose you. No, I can't lose you. don't want this to end. If I stay, promise to never go away. If I close my eyes, promise to be there when I wake. I had a dream last night, I was holding you so tight. What are we gonna do? I
called my mom. No, nothing's wrong. I just wanna talk. To hear her voice and feel so small, like when I was young. I wanna know I'm not on my own, 'cause I feel alone. Yeah, I've got love, more than enough, but is it too much? I don't wanna spread too thin, breaking my back to keep too many friends. I need them to need me around, to be an audience for my breakdown.
คนทำ
Carrying the world, but I'm getting tired. I'd settle for Jupiter. The gravity on Earth works overtime, and so do I. So I'll find my way to the edge for some perspective on the universe.